Every step we take has a story. For some, it's strength. For others, it's struggle. But what if the right pair of shoes could bring comfort to a diabetic patient, or relief to an elderly person's chronic foot pain? In a country like India, where lifestyle diseases are rising and healthcare awareness is rapidly evolving, one niche segment is making quiet but powerful strides: medical footwear. Welcome to this detailed guide where we'll walk you through how to start a medical footwear business in India. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a medical practitioner looking to diversify, or someone with a vision to serve a meaningful cause, this video is your roadmap. Here's what we'll cover: the exact target audience you should cater to, the right way to conduct market research and competitor analysis, how to build a marketing and sales strategy that works, a deep dive into financial planning, funding options, and profit margins, and finally, all the legal procedures and documentation needed to launch your business the right way. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Your first step: your target audience. Medical footwear isn't for everyone, it's highly targeted. Your key customers include diabetic patients needing pressure relief soles, senior citizens with orthopedic needs, post-operative patients in rehab, people suffering from plantar fasciitis or flat feet, and hospitals and physiotherapy centers needing bulk supply. Understanding this audience helps you design, price, and market your products effectively. Next, market research and competitor analysis. India's medical footwear market is growing steadily, driven by rising diabetes, an aging population, and more people looking for comfort-first solutions. Study your competitors, brands like Podolite, Dr. Comfort, or local orthopedic shops. Analyze price points. Products usually range from 800 to 4,000 rupees. And yes, distribution matters. Tap both offline, like clinics and pharmacies, and online channels. Marketing and sales strategy. In such a specialized segment, your branding must build trust. Use terms like doctor recommended, ISO certified, or custom fit to highlight credibility. Reach your audience where they are. Advertise in hospital waiting rooms, collaborate with physiotherapists, and run wellness campaigns online. Build an e-commerce store. Also explore B2B sales by partnering with clinics and elder care homes. Financial planning. Now let's talk money. Starting small scale can cost somewhere between 18 to 29 lakhs. This covers your manufacturing setup, raw materials, marketing, website development, and of course, staff. Profit margins. Margins are actually quite promising. You can expect a gross margin of 55 to 70% and a net profit margin around 20 to 30%. Funding and investment options. Don't let funding hold you back. You can bootstrap or apply for schemes like Startup India or Stand Up India. There's also the option of mudra loans, or you could approach angel investors in healthcare or wellness. And health tech incubators are also a great way to raise seed capital. Company incorporation and legal steps. Ready to register your business. First, choose a structure: sole proprietorship, LLP, or private limited. Supporting documents required: register on the MCA portal, get a GST number, open a company bank account, and don't forget about BIS or ISO certifications for your products. Also, be sure to register your trademark. Your brand is your identity. Starting a medical footwear business is more than just a commercial idea. It's really a mission to improve lives. But you know, success depends on research, planning, and market intelligence. That's where we come in. At Market Research Universe MRU, we provide A. Our services, real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plans, pitch decks and financial models, as well as business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. B. Our solution, MRU Navigator, is India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy, and business planning platform, and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.